Hi, friends, and welcome to Clue One of Wild West. I just got my box in the other day, so I haven't opened it. I have some scissors here, but see, it is not open. Make sure I don't dox myself, but it's not open. So we're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to do this before I tell you how long the clue took me, so you'll get to see which fabric choice I picked, which colorway I picked. I did pick the small. Um, I just, I am still sitting here with my Village Green large quilt that hasn't been quilted. I don't have backing or anything for it. I have my large Carnival quilt top that's done but not quilted or have any. So I just figured I wouldn't go with a large this time, and we're only going to do one size. So here we go. Let's open up our box, and we're seeing it together for the first time. All right, so we've got something in here. It says, Welcome to the Fall 2024 Puzzle Mystery Quilt, Wild West. This is the 16th Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I didn't know that, so what did I done? Village Green, um, Carnival, Tree of Life. So this will be my fourth Puzzle Mystery Quilt. So this has got everything you need to know. If you didn't get the fabric you required or anything like that, just make sure to reach out. Give them a couple of days if you have to reach out, just like any other business. But they are a small business, so all right. Let's get this tissue paper ripped. Come on. All right, you ready? One, two, three. We are doing Ghost Town. I'm so excited. Um, Oh, I love this. So this is the first year that they've included an inventory in the box. So this is the second time I've done my kits in a box and gotten them all at once. So this is helpful that they've included the inventory ahead of time. So I really do like that. If you get the envelopes, you may or may not get this. I don't know. I haven't done an envelope since Carnival. All right, so we've got our Ghost Town fabric A. Tells this is our fabric key card. And then inside it's got a lot of great information. So if this is your first puzzle mystery quilt, open this up and read it. It should tell you the ship dates, if you're getting one clue at a time. Also give them a couple of weeks, the day they ship, you're not going to get it the day they ship. That's just how USPS works. And once they ship them, it's out of their hands. As someone who owns a small business and has to ship things, it's frustrating. I know. And as a customer, I know it's frustrating. All right, so there's Ghost Town. Here is our Flat Nancy for Wild West. Different, uh, you know, different color. Maybe I'll actually do it, but there's instructions on back about what they're going to be doing for giveaways. So if you're inclined to participate, take a picture of your finished clue and with your Flat Nancy for that clue, and each month they'll pick a winner. And then here is clue number one. It looks like it comes with a notepad, which I love. So here are the clues. I won't look at clue five, but they're all numbered. They're all really just neatly packed. I'm just going to leave this in my box because I have the clue printed, and it'll tell me what I need for inventory on the printed clue. So I will tell you about the finished block shortly. Hi, friends, and welcome to Wild West. I hope you liked the unboxing that we did before. And I am doing Ghost Town in small, as I stated before. So there's two blocks for this month. And um, this fabric is amazing. Um, I I just love this fabric. It has such a nice texture to it, and the colors are really pretty. Fabric A is definitely my favorite, and I would love to like buy a bolt of it and put it and line every bag that I make with it. It's so pretty. Anyways, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. We'll talk more about it at the end of the video. But anyways, you have 2 blocks. It took me about 28 minutes to do both blocks. I definitely took my time, and I hope you will too. Let me know what colorway you're doing for Wild West and what sizes. I'm only doing the one. Normally I do 2, but I decided that I have enough on my plate and there are lots of videos that I like to make, so um, I'm dialing it back to one Cotton Cuts puzzle mystery quilt a season. But anyways, I'm adoring these fabrics and I know you will too, so let's get to the inventory. All right, here's the inventory for Ghost Town, Clue 1. So I opened up my Clue and this was included. It's another to-do pad. I say another. I have like 3 of these because I get them in the kits and I haven't gone through all of them yet, but I love them. They're great. They're wonderful. So anyways, let's get through what we've got in our box or our kit. However you get your clues, whatever colorway you've got, if you're doing the small, you should have the same number of pieces per fabric letter that I have. So let's go through this. We've got one style of block today for Clue 1. So in our small triangles, you should have 4 fabric A, 2 fabric C, 4 fabric D, and 6 fabric F. In your small squares, you should have 2 fabric A, 2 fabric D, and 4 fabric F. In your large triangles, you should have 2 fabric A and 4 fabric C. And then you should have in your large rectangle, 2 fabric D. I love this fabric. I love fabric A. It's so pretty. I'm really excited to see this put together. I've been trying to stay off the Facebook group so that I don't see it ahead of time, but that's just the nature of the beast. I've already kind of seen it, but I haven't really been paying attention. So I'm loving these fabrics. This is the first themed, outside of like petting zoo, this is the first holiday quilt I'll have, and I'm probably going to keep this one for me because I love Halloween. Anyways, let's get to sewing. All right, so we have got Clue 1 for Wild West. This is the small. There's only 2 blocks. Looks like it should go, fingers crossed, relatively quickly. There are 14 steps, but you're making 2 blocks. So I hope you enjoy the speed sewing. I'll see you at the end. Here are the finished blocks for Clue 1 for Ghost Town. I swear I love these blocks. I like this right here, this fabric right here is giving me all kinds of life. I love the pink floral with the cobwebs and the bugs. I don't know, I love it. And I also love the black. This is fabric D and this is fabric A. I think those are my two favorite fabrics so far. It's the first time I've done a theme, like a holiday theme quilt. Halloween is my favorite holiday, but I've never made like a Halloween quilt on purpose. So let me know what you're doing for Wild West. Let me know if you love themed quilts or not. Um, yeah, I love this. I'm excited. I'm very excited to do Ghost Town. So yeah. Um, If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to take a picture with, it is Flat Nancy, but she's giving me kind of like Jolene vibes, maybe, since she's on a horse. But we have a different Flat Nancy card for Wild West. Make sure you take a picture of your block with your Flat Nancy and post it to the Cotton Cuts website for a chance to win fun prizes throughout the season. I will see you in the next video. Bye!